guys, welcome back to the channel The Techie Guy, and today we are starting a one new video which is for IP 15 marks question. Okay, and for your DCA first question. So question is from GFG, remove duplicate elements from sorted array. So let's read the problem statement. Given a sorted array which is named as A of size n, and what we now have to do, we have to delete all the duplicate elements from this array, okay, and modify the array such that there are only x distinct elements in it. Then the first position of the array should be filled with them in increasing order and return the number of distance element in the array. So our task is not just one, we have to perform here several tasks, okay. So here we have the conditions. Don't use set or hash map to solve the problem. You must return number of distance element x in the array, and generated output will print the elements of the modified array from index 0 to x minus 1. Okay. And what we have to do here, we have a function and we have to return integer. That means we have to return the distant elements in the array. Okay. And if you can see this, so what we have to do, we have to array this. Okay, so array is to this and output is 2 because only one element is going to present in this array. We have to remove all the elements which are like repeating, and for this 3 we have to remove this, okay, this 2 and return this. Now what we are going to do, we are don't want to return here this two elements or one element. We just have to return the size of distant elements, means the size of array, okay. So for solving this, first we can define our edge case. If a dot length is less than 0 or equal to 0, what we are going to do, we are going to return 0, okay, simply. Now I am considering one integer, that is I, for sure 0, and looping it through int j equal to 0, a is less than a dot length g plus plus. Now what we have to do, we can do this. If a at j plus 1, okay, is less than a at I, then we can do our I plus plus, okay, since we have to return the number of distinct elements, and we can run this. Okay, j equal to 0, I think we don't have any problem for this case. But what we can use for, oh sorry, not greater, we have to use not equal to, okay. And while not returning here j plus 1, we can simply do j here and run this from 1, so it becomes a easy idea to solve, okay. Now here we are comparing if our j element is equal to this. If it is equal, then we are going to I plus plus, and if we are going to I plus plus, that means I index is 1. So my code becomes a at I is equal to, okay, so I, that means our I, and a at j, it means we are just copying that element into this, okay. And by doing so, we are also removing this duplicate element, okay. Like if you think carefully, then a at I means if our j is not equal to this, okay, not equal to, so we are just copying it. Otherwise we are not copying it into the array, okay. And after this, we are going to just return I plus 1 here. Since we have started our I to 0, so we are returning I plus 1. Since our array size is going to be not starting from 0, it is going to start from 1. If it has one element, then it is size is 1, okay, but indexing is 0, okay. Okay, if a dot length is less than 0, okay, I think we have to put it into the brackets. This is the condition. Maybe we are violating. Okay, now it's running. Okay, so we are going the getting the output. Let's submit this. Done.